All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's good, bro? Good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, or morning or afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome. Welcome, baby. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Asia session, chat. Holy. Gotta turn my fan on, chat. It's hot. Hot as shit in my office. We got G-Man. What's up, G? We got Chris Trader. We got Starboy. SB King. What's good, fam? Holy, how we doing? My day was good. My day was good. I made some money in the TRADEIFY funded accounts today. We made about $600 in them today, so we were nice and green. I ended up taking a nap, chat, bro. I was so tired. My wife had me up last night like so late watching this show that blew my mind. So like I was like, bro, I'm like hella tired. So after stream, I took like one more trade that I did really well with. And I went and took a nap, chat, and I just listen, bro. It was a beautiful nap. Beautiful, beautiful nap. Trader 007, what's up? Saturday, what's up? Chat, how'd you guys do today, bro? Was everybody nice and green today? How did we do? Good overall. Love that. Green from last night. Did trading YG. I've noticed that about you. I've noticed you've been trading Asia more so now. Hang on, chat. I sent a message real quick. All right, let's see what we got, chat. Let's see what we're working with. Is the Nasdaq moving? Nasdaq ain't moving. It's got a 7-point ATR, chat. Nasdaq ain't doing shit right now. All right, let's go to gold. Take a look at gold. Goldilocks. It's got a 3-point ATR. And we'll see. We'll give it some time. We'll give it some time tonight and see if we get any momentum or volatility or volume, so to speak. We have gold trading at 85. Let's go to the 15-minute real quick and just kind of take a peek here. We have the IB low on gold there from today's session at 975. So I'm gonna wait and see like how we react down there, if we can get there, see if we catch any buyers that come out of that area. Overall, gold's been having some bullish movement, getting back to the 5,000s. Not bad. Not bad. So we'll see if we can catch some buyers down here, maybe go up and retest 5,000s. Something to look for that I'll be watching. Going to NQ. Nasdaq is seeing a little bit of sellers come through here, though. Something to watch for. Is my camera crooked, chat? What the hell? Hold on. Chat, why nobody tell me my camera was crooked? There we go. That's much better. Much better. Rummy from Bermuda. What's up? All right. Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Look at the 15-minute. Getting a little bit of sellers coming through here. Go down to... Actually, let's go to the 5-minute real quick. I mean, we're getting some sellers, chat. So, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see us come back down to the 60s. We have a 17-point ATR on the 5-minute, which is not bad. So we may be watching the 5-minute here, as it has a higher ATR, and we'll take trades based off of it. So we'll watch the 5-minute, see what we can get out of it. We'll be watching those 60s. Obviously, we have the highs up there at 25, just about 25,000. It'll be an area to watch too. So I think there's some opportunity tonight. We just got to be a little patient and wait. Let it come to us. Let it come to us, baby. Racer, what's up? How you doing? Good evening. Or morning or afternoon, wherever you guys are from. NQ dump, maybe. That's what we're looking at. Curious to see if we come down in these 60s here. But we'll see. I'm not going to jump on anything too fast, so we're going to give it some time. Let it all play out. Chat, what y'all got any plans for the weekend, bro? What are you guys doing? I'm actually really upset, dude, because it was like really nice today. Like high 70s, sunny, felt really good outside. I couldn't go fishing because I had appointments to go to for my son. And then this weekend, it's supposed to be cold as shit. It's like I couldn't have the nice weather on the weekend. So annoying. I would love to have a beautiful weekend where I can just go spend all of my time on the lake, chat. You know what I mean? Do some fishing, bring some fish home, have the wife whip up some dishes for fish. You know what I mean, chat? Like, bro. You have to actually catch something, bro. G-Man, bro, I will fly my ass to New York and you can catch these hands, bro. You can catch these hands, G-Man. You've been talking some shit on me, bro. Listen. You've been talking some shit on me. I know you my mod. But don't think I won't catch a first class ticket to come beat your ass, G-Man. I mean, first class. Over here talking that shit. Earlier today, talking about me having an iced coffee, knowing I hate iced coffee. Telling me telling me I'm ass at fishing when I already know I'm ass at fishing. G-Man, don't make me do it. Don't make me do it, G. Because I will. What kind of fucking name is this? I'm just going to say left. I'm not even going to read that name, bro. Left. Debating on if I should trade this session or wait till NY. I'm on day 4 with Lucid for a max payout on the 100K. Holy. Wait till NY. Ain't nothing here. Ain't nothing really to do tonight early so far. I'd wait till NY. The ice coffee with Chicago. Chicago can catch his hands too. I'll catch a first class ticket to Chicago. Hit that like button. What, Chicago? Hey, there's Chicago. Holy. Chicago, you missed it, bro. You were just like 30 seconds late. You said literally logged in, caught the tail end saying you were going to Chicago. But do you know why I'm coming to Chicago? You might have to rewind the stream. Am I about to long this chat? Because we just broke this support here. We caught buyers out of it. Hold on. Logging it. I'm logging it. We're long. We are long. Fear we're gonna be uneventful and hold the 900 range for a bit, but this is hard curled down. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I am gonna long this though, just because I like to break and buy. See what it gives me here. Baby, no customer. Nobody that. Get above previous day close, above VWAP. Whew. Whew. I love that. No clue. Well, first, Chicago, let me just break it down for you. G-Man came up in here talking shit. So I told him I was going to catch a first class ticket to New York and he can catch his hands. And then I brought up him talking about me having an iced coffee and talking shit earlier. And then he blamed it on you and said that was Chicago who said that is that an iced coffee. And then I said, well, I'll catch a first class ticket to Chicago and Chicago can catch his hands too. Oh my god, bro, is my trade syncer synced? I'm gonna be pissed if I took this trade and it's not copying over, chat. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna be pissed. Wait a minute. Okay, no, it is copying over. Sweet, we good. You might not know this, but I used to box. I used to do jiu-jitsu. Whole lot of used tos. You know what I mean? Yeah, I am long, SP. I'm not going to be Gracie. No, it's not recommended. All right, let's see the buyers to give me above previous day close and above VWAP. And then we'll just have a little party, have a little fiesta. Chat, what do you think? Also, chat, we got 7 likes on the stream. What the fuck are y'all even doing, dude? I'm over here spending my evening at 6:30 in the evening streaming, making money for you guys. We got 60 people and 7 likes. Chat, I will find every single one of you, bro. I really will. I'll find every single one of you, dog. What are we doing? What are we talking about? That's unacceptable, chat. If you really think about it, you know how unacceptable that is? As a matter of fact, if I lose this trade, chat, I'm blaming the fuck out of you guys, bro. I'm blaming the chat because my chat just wants to come in and not hit the like button. And so if I lose this trade, bro, I'm blaming you guys. 100%. It's all y'all's fault. Find me so that we can go fishing. FOMC minutes, that was earlier today. What's thoughts on tomorrow? Let's see. What's the news for tomorrow, chat? Hold on, let me pull up. Let me look at financial juice. Let's see. What news do we have tomorrow, chat? What news do we have tomorrow? Jobless claims tomorrow morning before market open. That's really it tomorrow. So, honestly, I mean, NQ's just kind of been ranging. You know what I mean? If we just zoom out and look at the 30-minute. We're just ranging. So I don't really have a whole lot of high expectations for tomorrow. Maybe we continue catching a rip. We'll see. We'll see. But right now, no real expectations. I'll have more of a bias as we get into tomorrow and I see how like the pre-market plays out, the overnight plays out. I'll have more of a bias for tomorrow then. Why not TP? Because I'm gonna trail it. If we can get above VWAP, I'm gonna be trailing my stop. Liked for good karma. Hope everything works out for you. Yo, appreciate you. That's the kind of energy I need, chat, right there. That's the energy I need from you guys. I like the stream. I hope you make money. That's the kind of energy, chat. Who wrote that? Hold on. Executor. That's the kind of energy I need right there. Everybody be like Executor. I liked for good karma. Hope everything works out for you. That's the energy we need, chat. Is that too much to ask for? I mean, really, that's it, right? Chat, if you're not already subbed to, hit that subscribe button. We're live every single day, baby. And we have some videos coming out, chat. I just recorded 2 videos today before hopping on stream for the Asia session. Just got done recording 2 different videos. One, if you feel like you're struggling with mental capital, mental capacity on trading eval after eval after eval just to fail and struggle to get the funded accounts, I have a video coming out that's just for you. You're going to want to be subscribed and tune into that because it's going to be an absolute banger. I'm sure a lot of you guys will be able to relate to it. I know I do. That's why I made it. So I'd encourage you guys to subscribe and be on the lookout for that because it'll be coming out in a few days. Also, I have a video coming out possibly tonight, chat. Tonight, going over TRADEIFY crypto. TRADEIFY futures just came out with TRADEIFY crypto now. So you can trade crypto with TRADEIFY. I have a video coming out tonight that's breaking that down. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you want to catch all the content. 'Cause listen, we're fucking moving, baby. We're moving. We're on the fucking move, chat. You know what I mean? We're trying to put out content after content after content. Keep you guys rolling with fresh stuff, educational content. We have some shorts coming out where I'm gonna be breaking down my own strategies in short form content. So you guys are gonna want to stay tuned for all of that. Chat, I feel like I'm on fucking fire, baby. I'm on fire. I'm ready. Appreciate it, Saturday. Now I just need my trade to play out. I just need my trade to play out, chat. I just need it to go. Just subscribed. Hope you can help me improve in the market. That is what I do on this channel. Listen, I put out tons of educational shit, chat, all for free. I really do. You go through my YouTube channel, I have tons of free shit on there. I have a free day trading course, chat. Free course on my YouTube channel. If you go to my channel and click on playlist, there's a free day trading course in there that goes everything from the psychological and mental side of things to the technicals, risk management, all this stuff. Encourage you guys to check that out. What app do you recommend using for optimal day trading? I've always liked TRADEIFY. If you're talking about futures, I've always liked TRADEIFY. I'm using TradingView, but it's linked to all my TRADEIFY accounts because I'm copy trading. So, but TRADEIFY's honestly probably the best, in my opinion. But it is all personal preference. You might try TRADEIFY and realize that you don't like it. It's all personal preference. As of lately, I've been using TradingView because I use TradeSync to copy trade all my accounts, and like all my accounts are through TRADEIFY, right? And so what I do is I use TradingView to sign into my TRADEIFY accounts and then take the trades on one particular account that copy trades onto all five. So I don't know, it's just kind of personal preference. Personal preference. You do the same? Yeah, honestly, I think it's dope. I enjoy doing copy trading through that route. Well, Nasdaq is coming back down here. I definitely want to see buyers hold here. I don't want to see us come back down to the 27s or so. Otherwise, I'll probably take this trade off. It won't make sense beyond that. I don't like this rejection that we had up here. No sirski. So we need buyers to hold this level. I'm not going to let this go too deep red. I mean, I'll probably exit this before. This stop down here is just going to protect me from anything that just jets. But I probably won't let this thing go down below 20, like 25s or so. See what happens here. Like I said, buyers need to hold this level, chat, right here. They got to hold this level. If we hold here, can get above previous day close, I feel pretty good about that, getting us back above VWAP and moving us higher. I think previous day close and VWAP is going to be a true test, true line in the sand for this trade. Also, chat, I forgot to mention this too. We are going to be doing another masterclass. I'm thinking not this weekend, but next weekend. right? So I've been talking to my community about doing another masterclass, and I've done a lot of masterclasses over like technical shit, like strategies and technicals and this and that. But I really want to do one that's on like the psychology side of trading. You know what I mean, chat? Like really hitting the mental side. And so that's what we're gonna do. We are going to do a masterclass on the mental side of trading. All right. So if you want to be part of that, one, hit the subscribe button on YouTube first off. Okay. Make sure you sub to the channel because I will be posting the recording of that masterclass on YouTube. All right. If you're not able to make it, but we are going to hold the masterclass in Discord. All right. And I think we're going to do it not this weekend, but next. So if you want to join up on that or be part of it, there's a link in the description of this live video, or actually, you know what? Here, I'll post it right here so you guys can. Let's see. Hold on. I'll just post a link here, chat, so you guys don't have to go searching for shit. Feel the passion. There you go. So if you guys want to join Discord and catch the masterclass that's going to be... Wait, why can't I pin this comment, dude? Hello? Click. Bro, I can't pin my own message? All right, anyways. Chat, in the comments there. Here, let me refresh the screen and see if I can pin this comment. There. Pinned. Bang, bang. So, if you want to join the masterclass, there it is. It'll be in Discord next weekend. Not this weekend, but next weekend on Saturday. I'm still going on. It'll be on Saturday, chat. Probably around like noon or so. We'll probably do it around noon Central Time, but I'll post all the details in Discord if you guys want to join in on that. So be prepared for that. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be an absolute banger. Meanwhile, this trade is still hanging out around my entry, bro. Chat, what do we got to do to get this thing to go? What do we got to do to get this thing to go, chat? Smack the like button. We had 90 people watching. I know, chat, what are we doing, bro? We got 93 people in here. We had 106 at one point. We had 93 people in here and only 23 likes, chat. What are we doing, bro? What are we doing? Chat, I need to feel you guys' energy. You know what I mean? Need you guys to bring it. Need the energy, chat. Holy. More likes we get, the more this trade's gonna play out, bro. Miss K says, I'll let you feel my energy. Don't you talk to me that way, Miss K. Need gold to flush? Yes. I do need gold to flush because then that'll bring the Nasdaq up. That's what I need, bro. I need it. I need it. Wait, hold on, chat. I forgot, bro. We got to throw up a story on the Instagram. Hold on. We got to throw a story up on the Instagram. I forgot. Chat, I need you guys to smile, bro. I need you guys to smile in the chat. Put the smile emoji in the comment section. That way you guys smile for the story. You guys know what to do. Y'all done it before. You all know what to do, baby. Drop it in the comments. There it is. There it is. Hold on. Yeah. We live, baby. Holy, look at the chat. Chat's cheesing. The chat is cheesing for the camera, baby. Holy. We live, making some money, trying to make some money. This trade ain't doing nothing for me, but we trying, bro. We here. Come through. Come hang. There it is. All right. It's a story done. There it is. Bro, can you guide please which pair you are using for trade and which time frame, what and kind of trade, buy or sell? Well, I'm trading the Nasdaq. I don't trade pairs, that's Forex. I'm trading the Nasdaq. I am in a long, meaning I bought, and I'm trading on the 5-minute time frame. You know what I mean? Chat, what are buyers doing, dude? It's like we just cannot get this thing to go. What are we doing? Buyers are letting me down, bro. It's like they want to take this, but we just can't find the juice, bro. We just can't find the juice. You got it. You got it. Chat, I feel like I've been like on the go literally all day, except for the time period that I took a nap, bro. I literally streamed this morning. So, by the way, if you're not sub, catch streams in the mornings for New York session. I streamed this morning, hopped off stream, took one more trade, made some money. I took my ass to bed, bro. I was so tired. I took a nap because my wife kept me up until 1 a.m. in the morning last night. Took a nap, then had to get up and go to my son's appointment. Went to my son's appointment, came back, recorded some content, and now here we are, bro. I feel like we just been on the go all day long. Literally, all day. Danger. Bye. Bye. Fat antisocial monkey. Adios. Yo, buyers still do not want to take this thing. It's crazy. What amount was your starting amount of investment? If you're talking about my personal account and not prop firm account, I started a personal account with 25,000 and I grew it to over 70,000. We're not trading the personal tonight though. We're trading a prop account. We're trading our TRADEIFY funded accounts. Bro, it's like we cannot just get above these 47s and 50s. It's like buyers try to send it up there and we just like, we keep rejecting it over and over, which I don't love because that's building up the selling pressure. I don't love that. Am I on TRADEIFY tomorrow? Yes. I'm on like 3 different streams tomorrow. I have my own stream tomorrow morning, and then I have TRADEIFY after that, and then I'll be on Ninja Trader trading the close in the afternoon. So I'm on like 3 streams tomorrow. Char Daddy says, Joe F. and Morgan, I didn't know you stream. Sup? Yeah, of course I stream. I'm here, baby. I'm here. I stream Asia session and morning session on my channel. Bro, again, dude, look at this. Look at how many times we keep rejecting this. Hold on, let's go to 1 minute. Just take a look. Look at what I'm dealing with, chat. We just got to get above 50, the 50s. We get above the 50s, bro. This trade's gonna, I feel like, gonna go. Above the 50s, we're in a good spot. We just got to get it up there. We got to get it up there, chat. We got to get it up. Above the 50s, I think we go to previous day close. And if we can get above previous day close and get above VWAP here, I mean, I think we looking just golden. But we really are just consolidating here, and it's rather annoying. What's up, Joey? You catch any fish this past weekend? Fuck no, dude. I'm ass at fishing. I'm so bad at it, dude. Like, I'm horrible at it. Like, I should honestly just stick to trading, to be honest with you. I shouldn't even be fishing. I should probably just sell my boat, sell everything that I have, and just throw in the towel, you know? I have no business out there pretending like I can fish. Literally none. Come on, Nasdaq. Can we get above the 50s, baby? Can we get above the 50s? For the love of God, quit rejecting it, dude. The more we reject it, the more we can build up selling pressure and send this thing back down. We don't need that. We need to go, baby. We gotta go. Chat, we gotta go. What time's my morning stream? New York Open. Between 8:20 and 8:30 Central Time. I need to get better at being on earlier than that, to be honest with you. I need to be on by like 8:15. That's what I try to be on, but then I get like distracted in the mornings, like with my son and like eating real quick and drinking. Look at this rejection, dude. This is so annoying. But it's usually New York Open. And then it buys right back up. Chat, what are we doing, dude? What are we doing? Okay, there we go. There we go. Send it, baby. Send it. Send it to the moon. Chat, listen, we get above previous day close. Oops. We get above previous day close and get above VWAP. It's going to look real good. Okay. Okay. We got to hold above VWAP, though. That's what we got to do. Okay. Looking good. Looking real good. We're going to trail this tightly now. Probably get tapped out here. So we're trailing tightly. Nice, nice, nice. We'll keep going. Keep trailing it. Looking good. Holy chat, we're looking real good. We're looking just beautiful. Look at this candle. Look at the candle, baby. Let's just take it on up even further. Holy moly, chat. There we go, tapped. Wowzers, what a move, baby. What a move. That's what we wanted, chat. That right there. That is what we wanted. Holy. Took it forever. We were in that trade for like 5 business days. Bada bing, bada boom, chat. Appreciate it, rockin'. Dude, it was like, I told you guys, like, if we get above the 50s, for whatever reason, we were struggling with the 50s. As much as we were rejecting that, and sellers were trying to hold us down, if we got above that, I felt like we could have went, and we did. That's all we wanted to see right there. That's what we wanted to see. So that was 200 and... What did I make on that? Because I was only in 3 micros. Yeah, 213 on 3 micros, bro. So that was almost like a 50 pointer. 40 pointer, something like that. Nice, baby. Nice, nice, nice. That's what we wanted. It's a good way to start Asia session there. Holy. Good way to start Asia session. So chat, listen, if that don't deserve a like button, what are we talking about? Like, don't we think that deserves a like button and a sub? You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure that deserves a sub. What's the percent return on that trade? What do you mean percent return? I'm trading prop account right now, funded accounts. I made $210 on that. It was basically 2 to 1. 2 to 1. Do you trade London off stream? No, not really. I'm not really a big London trader. I don't perform well in London. Looking at sells on ES all day. Let's look at ES real quick. What we got? Here, I'll pull up MES. All right. ES. You got to be careful, though, because you got levels up here, right? Catching some buyers. You have some nice levels up here at 902, 904. There's some room to the upside. So he's got to be careful about those levels there on ES. Holy Brett Simba. Mr. Simba himself. Holy moly. Dropping the hundo. Yo, appreciate it, big dog. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, sir. Resistance strong from Monday. Feels like sellers will hold that zone. Possibly. We gotta see. Just gotta see, baby. Holy. Brett Simba coming in and blessing the stream. We actually got a chat. Speaking of, we got a video coming out. I'm trying to get it out tonight. Depends on how I'm feeling after stream tonight, but we're trying to get a video out tonight going over TRADEIFY's crypto. Going over TRADEIFY crypto, just breaking through the accounts and all that stuff. So if you're not subbed, be sure that sub to catch the content coming out over TRADEIFY crypto. Yeah, ES is seeing some buyers come through as well. Yeah, I'd be watching those levels before sells. I mean, I'd want to see those levels get tapped and then see some weakness come out of those levels. Who asked that actually? Hold on. Who asked that? Looking at sells on, okay, Al Menzar. Yeah, I'd be watching out for these levels. If it were me personally, I would want to see those get tapped and then see weakness, but anything can happen. Anything can happen, baby. Hold on, let's go back to MNQ. Same thing for Nasdaq, chat. I mean, if you look at Nasdaq here, right? Some levels to the upside to be on the watch for there. And speaking of TRADEIFY, also, chat, we'll be on TRADEIFY stream tomorrow. I am now on there daily, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. (10:30) Central to 11:30. Come through and hang, come through and vibe, baby. Wait, is there a way to make your screen a tad smaller so folks can see your time frame and ticker? I have to move my camera. I can move my camera. There. Now you can see it. Let me know if that's better. There's also a watermark you can add on TradingView. Yeah, I know, where it shows like the ticker and time. I just don't have it on there. I could add the watermark though, it'd probably be helpful. All right, Nasdaq is coming up to these levels here. Trade up to 89. First level there is 94 and 97. I guess in theory, if we did look at these levels, we could have held our long. Hey, look forward to the vid. Just realized, oh, it wasn't. Oh, it won't call it the live. Give away a 50K to the chat on me. Okay, chat, you heard it. Listen, we got a duck race to do tonight. Then 50K straight to funded account, chat. Y'all know the deal on duck races. You know we bring that energy. You see all these other people doing duck races, but I'm telling you, chat, nobody does duck races like we do. Nobody. So we got a 50K straight to funded account to give away to you guys. So before we end stream tonight, we're gonna do a incredible duck race. Shout out Brett Simba for coming in, sponsoring the stream. with a straight to fundo giveaway. So chat, listen, y'all know this is where preparation meets opportunity, okay? You know we do the duck races on stream. This is where you have to have your duck prepared, taking the peptides, taking the performance enhancing drugs, taking everything that you got to take to get your duck ready to win this race, right? Preparation meets opportunity, okay? Some of you guys, y'all come in this duck race with your duck and you're not too impressed and you end up having duck for dinner, all right? This is where you gotta really just step it up, okay? You gotta be assertive. You gotta really claim what's yours, chat. Preparation meets opportunity. All right. We'll be doing it here soon, chat. We'll be doing it here soon. Listen, your boy got to eat dinner. so we'll be doing it here soon. Wait to see what happens with Nasdaq here if we do come up and tap these levels. I want to see what happens here. I want to see what happens. You had your duck swim 1,000 laps. He's ready. Hopefully he ain't too tired, baby, because listen. Listen, bro. Char says, I want it. It is mine. You got to claim it, bro. You got to claim it. All right, Nasdaq's still trying to push up here. Get in the 90s. I mean, chat, it feels like 25K is going to be a magnet at this point. 25K feels like a magnet, chat. And here we go. Back to 25Ks, possibly right here. As long as we pop these 90s, 98s, 25K back in play. We'll see what happens. Learner, what's up? How you doing? All right, Nasdaq, come on, baby. Let's go test those 25Ks, get it out the way. Show me what you want to do. Man, we really could have held that long, chat. We really could have. We could have held that thing. Trader's Nest, good evening. How you doing? What was our entry on that, chat? Hold on. What was our entry there? Let's pull up executions, execution marks. Okay. We entered at 9:37. So our long was right there. We got out at 73. So we got out here. I mean, it's still just a banger trade. I guess we could have been watching these levels up here. Probably could have targeted those. But that's okay. We took a banger trade regardless. Cynthia, what up? What up, baby? Chat, as a reminder, Brett Simba came into the chat and is sponsoring the stream with a 50K straight to funded account giveaway. So we are going to be doing a duck race tonight for a 50K straight to fundo. A little bit of sellers here on NQ. Little bit of sellers. Maybe provides another long opportunity to target these levels up here. Looking at the 15. I mean, just very bullish. Very, very bullish. Maybe we get a little bit of a pullback here to target those levels there. We'll see. Can you talk about what the 50K straight to funded account gives you? What the 50K straight to funded account gives you? What do you mean what it gives you? Like in terms of the account rules? Is that what you mean? With the straight to funded on the 50K? Okay, what are the rules on it? Yeah. So on the rules, so on a 50K straight to funded, there's a, you just got to reach the profit target to get to a payout, which I'd have to go look at the profit target and the payout. I'm not 100% sure. I know on the 100K, it's 6,000 profit target. I have to go look at the 50K. But the 50K, they have I think it's a 1,250 daily loss limit, right? So there's a daily loss on the straight of fundeds. The trailing max drawdown. Now I know it says trailing, but it's end of day, not intraday, right? So it's end of day. It's a 2,000 max drawdown on the 50K, right? Now, as far as profit targets go, I'd have to look at the here. Let me pull it up here. For the 50K, I know the 100K is 6,000, but I have to pull up the 50K. So let's do payouts, sliding funded. Okay, yeah. So payout goal profit target for the 50K is 3,000. That's what it is. 3K. 3K target, you get a payout. And you can withdraw 2,000 per on those 50Ks. So 3K profit target, you can withdraw 2K on your first, second, and third payout, and then the fourth payout is 2,500. Just make sure like you don't like get to the profit target, right, and then withdraw max and then not leave yourself any buffer, because then that's gonna kind of screw you over a little bit. You want to make sure you keep the account. Yeah. I personally, so I trade the 100K, so I have to meet a 6,000 profit target. But for the 50K, $3,000 profit target on the first payout. Second payout, it's a $2,000 target. And there is the consistency rule too. They do have consistency on those trade funded, 20%. Being straight to funded, is there no evaluation to pass? Or are you eligible for after the first? Okay, yeah, it's straight to funded. There is no evaluation, right? So you buy the account, you're automatically funded. You just reach the profit target, you get paid. No eval. Straight to funded, you're funded immediately. Immediately. Best thing about straight to funded, man. Speaking of that, chat, I have another video coming out. My editor is actually working on it. I have another video coming out maybe this weekend. It depends on when he gets done with it. But if you have felt like you struggled with blowing eval after eval after eval, and then you know, like once you get to the funded level, you're going to trade much differently, right? I have a video coming out that talks about going straight to funded if you feel like you're confident and know you're going to trade different than the evals, right? A lot of times what I find or what I see is that the amount of evals that people blow before getting to funded, they could have just bought a straight to funded account. You know what I mean? So if you are confident in your trading and you can go straight to funded, I have a video coming out that's going to help show you how you can relieve some of the pressure and being mentally taxed on going through evals and blowing evals after eval, right? So it's a good video. It's something that I know I've personally gone through, struggled with, thought about, put some time into. It's a good video. So my editor is working on that. I should have it out maybe this weekend, hopefully at least. If not, it'll be early next week. But that'll be out then. And then again, we have the TRADEIFY video coming out tonight, max tomorrow morning. Wow, that was some sellers that came through there. Right back down to VWAP, unable to get to 25,000s, bro. Wowzers. Wowzers. Miss K said it, chat. Holy, what kind of traders in here can't click the mouse? 84 watching and 51 likes. We can get more likes on one stream, baby. Holy. We had like up to 116 people at one point. We can get some likes on the stream. We are doing a straight to funded account giveaway too. I'm gonna look at logging this here in a minute, chat. Nice pullback to VWAP. I feel like 25K comes into play with this buy up that we had. I'm only gonna take 2 though. Break VWAP there. I'm taking the two micros long right there, chat. So we're long 2 micros. Now let's see if we get back above VWAP and continue to move higher here. Set a stop here. See, sell stop. There we go. Tight stop, about a 10-point stop there, chat. 2 micros, so very small risk here. Very small risk. Very small risk. What up, Betty? What am I trading? Nasdaq. We are up on the night. Sitting up nicely on the night. So this will be just kind of extra on the cake here. If we win this, if we do lose this trade, we will still be green on the night. So that's all that matters. And then we'll do a giveaway, chat. So after this trade, we will do a giveaway. Can one start with 1K? Not in a personal account. You can start with the prop firm though, like TRADEIFY. Go JM. Guys, to be honest, like, dude, prop firms offer such a great opportunity. Like, if you look at TRADEIFY, like they offer you 5 accounts to trade with. You can copy trade, take payouts out of 5 accounts. I mean, if you trade 5 accounts and get them all to a payout, and you can withdraw $2,000 per account, that's 10 grand, bro. 10 grand on a payout. There's just so much opportunity, bro. Like, I trade a personal account, but bro, trading prop is like the ROI is massive. If you trade well and trade right, don't try to do some degen shit. Like, the ROI is insane. It's hard. It's not easy by any means, but if you don't have enough to to fund a personal account, bro, just, you have no business trading personal. Trade prop. I've always said, like, if you're gonna start a personal, and this is my own opinion, other people have different opinions on this, but if you're gonna start your own personal account, I don't recommend starting under 10K. I really don't. Because it's like, if you start with 10K and then you go on a losing streak, like right off of the rip, and now you're just like gonna go tilt mode because you're about to blow your 10K. You're getting closer and closer to having nothing, right? You want to make sure like you have some buffer, you know? So starting less than 10K, don't recommend. Go with prop firm accounts. Might just barely stop me. Don't say that. Don't say that, baby. Holy. We'll see if this thing wants to continue here. Again, we do have a tight stop on this, about 9 points. We just got to stay above VWAP. If we can stay above VWAP, we'll be all right in this trade. We have a really good entry, chat. Really good entry. So as long as we stay above VWAP, we are absolutely golden. Our entry on this is 960. So this is our entry right here. Under VWAP. Really solid entry. So we stay above VWAP, chat, we're golden. Back below it, not so hot. How do you suggest to start with a personal account? Well, again, start with a good amount that you can afford to lose. Obviously, don't just throw in money you can't afford to lose. Give yourself some buffer, but use like trusted brokers. I use NinjaTrader. I've never had any issues. That's what I would do. Use a broker like NinjaTrader. Start with an account that's, I always say start with at least 10K, but make sure you can afford to lose it. Go from there. All right, we are trying to get back below VWAP here. It's not what we want to see. We want to see this thing continue to get buyers. Hold above VWAP. Gotta hold above VWAP, chat. Remember, if you are not subscribed to the channel, we are live every morning and Asia session, chat. Holy. Make sure you hit that sub button. Tune in. We have daily content, live streams. We have it all. You're in a good spot. Hit that subscribe button. Join the fam. Link of Discord if you want to join a Discord community of people that are just trying to get better at trading every single day. There's a link in the pinned comment there to join. We are also going to be doing a giveaway tonight, which, chat, by the way, I host. You have to be in Discord for that giveaway, right? So there's a stream giveaway channel in Discord where I hold those giveaways. All right, so you got to be in there. It just prevents from having like 1,000 bot YouTube accounts, right, entering the giveaways. So make sure you guys are in Discord. That way you guys can enter the giveaway. All right, buyers need to hold us here, chat. Buyers need to hold us. They are trying to hold the bid here. We can get above like 72s. I think we'll be all right. Above 72s, I think this trade will be all right. We're only 2 micros deep. Small position. Sellers bring us back down to VWAP here. Not what we want to see. Need us to hold here. Need to hold it here. I don't like being back below VWAP. Don't like being below VWAP, chat. All right, we're just gonna take it off there. A lot of sellers stepping in. We're gonna take the small paper cut. We were only down like $10 on that trade, bro. It was basically flat. Yeah, we lost $20, chat, on that trade. We're good. All right, chat. Listen, let's do a giveaway. Here's the deal. I'm gonna open the stream giveaway channel. And wait, hold on. All right, I just opened the permissions for that channel. Chat, if you're not in Discord, join. It's a pinned comment up there in the chat there. Join Discord. You're gonna see a stream giveaway channel. Wow, glad I exited that trade, bro. Look at that. You're gonna see a stream giveaway channel in Discord. And because Brett Simba came in here, donated a hundo, and is giving away a 50K straight to funded, here's what you're gonna type in the stream giveaway channel, chat. Stream giveaway channel, not YouTube. Keyword to type in the stream giveaway channel is Brett Simba. Type that in the stream giveaway channel in Discord, chat. That is the keyword to be entered. I'll give you guys a couple seconds here, 30 seconds or so. Give you guys a little bit longer. You only gotta type it once too, because they're all duplicates will be deleted. So all you gotta do is type it once in the stream giveaway channel there in Discord. Remember, we are live every single day right here on this channel in the mornings and during Asia session. If you guys want to catch the live streams, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We got some videos coming out. Maybe we have a video coming out maybe tonight over TRADEIFY Crypto. If not tonight, it will be tomorrow. It'll be breaking down TRADEIFY Crypto. And then also, we have a nice video coming out possibly over the weekend. Depends on when my video editor gets it done. So be on the lookout for that. We have a lot of things coming out, baby. A lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things, a lot of things. Chat, 10 more seconds. Ten more seconds, baby. All right, chat. Ushka says new sub. Yo, appreciate you, Ushka. Welcome to the fam, baby. Welcome to the fam. You in a good spot. Good spot. All right, chat. Close down, baby. Close down. All right, I'm grabbing the list of names. You like my vibe? Appreciate you. Appreciate you, appreciate you, appreciate you. All right, I'm grabbing the list now, chat. Grabbing the list now. It is closed, so if you type it, I'm sorry. It is closed down. Next time, baby, next time. All right, getting the list, getting ChatGPT to clean up the list of names here for me. And we're going to do the giveaway for the 50K straight to funded account, chat. Straight to funded account. $78 people. Wow, actually 78 on the dot. Holy. Let's go. 78 viewers, 78 entries. All right, 2 minutes. Remember, this is a 50K straight to funded. Let me turn up the volume here so we can get all the audio. Chat, remember, this is where preparation meets opportunity. If you ain't training your duck, bro, I don't even know what you're doing. This is your time. This is your moment. Good luck. 50K straight to funded account. 50K with TRADEIFY. Who's it gonna be, baby? Who is it gonna be? The ducks are moving. The feathers are feathering. The tails are wagging. Holy. We got Bull Pathfinder, Rockin' J, Prophet Per Tick, Iram, SP King, G-Man, Ale, Joyce Fernandez, the Fibonacci Father, SKJ. Chat, if you don't see your duck, it's probably because your duck is out of shape and in dead last. Probably like off screen if you don't see your duck, just FYI. You'll see them kind of come in and off screen here. So if your duck is dead last, that's why you don't see it, baby. Holy, because you didn't train your duck properly. We got MU, we got Precision Pivot, Captain. Look at Captain the Bumblebee. Holy. The Hood's Composer, Roman Arts, Big Shout, Tris, Azupaduke Chatoratri. Big Shout trying to take the lead. Hood's Composer taking the lead. Frenzy Scalping, Trader Crest, SV Log, Rockin' OJ, or OTJ. Miss K, look at Miss K looking absolutely beautiful, baby. Holy, looking like a mermaid. Looking like an absolute mermaid. We got Rico. We got the binary numbers. We got Mud Cheedfa. We got Roman Arts, Recco, Liquidity Lore, Anike, JX402. Holy, who's it gonna be? If you don't see your duck, it's probably because you're in dead last. That's why. You're an absolute dead last if you don't see your duck. It's because you're probably off screen. Canadian Bunny. iTrade. Chicago Sid. The Hood's Composer trying to hold on to the lead, but losing it, baby. Absolutely losing it. Who is this? Look at Trade by Shazajagai. Trader's Crest. Tris holding the lead. Oh, Tris just fell off. Tris, I jinxed you. Wait a minute. It's a close one. Who's it going to be? Fusion. Look at Fusion. Fusion Funds. Type in Discord. Are you here? Fusion, you got like 30 seconds, bro. 30 seconds to claim your prize, baby. If you're here, type in Discord. Fusion Funds has claimed Fusion. Send me a DM in Discord. I'll get you a code for a 50K. Straight to funded account. Congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. See, chat, it's where preparation meets opportunity, baby. You gotta come prepared. You gotta come prepared, chat. Holy. Chat, what an epic stream, dude. We had an amazing stream today. I think we crossed like our record viewers of like 117 people or something like that. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate the vibe. Had a good time. We made some money. We're nice and green on the evening. I'm gonna go eat dinner. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, catch the live streams, catch content coming out, baby. GG's. Love you all. Stay absolutely beautiful, baby. I will see you guys tomorrow morning for a New York session.